Hi guys, today I am going to teach you how to make your YouTube profile photo. So, to put profile picture, you should download Canva app. It will get in Play Store app. After downloading, you have to click that app. After clicking, you will get some of the options. In that, you should click logo options. After clicking, you will get some of the picture. In the top, you will get some of options. You can click which you want that option. I will click on the gaming logo. In that, I will click on this option. And you should click in the name of that logo. After clicking, you will get text option. Click that option and write your channel name. For example, I will write Crazy Gaming. After that, you should click on this button. After, it will save in your gallery. It will time to take. Now, you should go back. Next, you go to your YouTube channel. And touch on your channel profile photo. After that, you will get camera option and gallery option. You click in gallery option. After clicking, you will get the logo what you have done in Canva app. Click that logo and click to save as profile picture. After, you will see in your profile logo what you have prepared in Canva app. So thank you guys. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like.